In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 things you didn't know you could do in ChatGPT. First, you can create custom learning plans. Turn any topic into a structured learning roadmap that fits your pace and background. Ask for a sequenced plan with milestones, resources, and checkpoints, and ChatGPT can also generate quizzes, summaries, and study guides to keep you on track. If you're brand new, request explanations in simple terms. If you're intermediate, ask for more depth and examples. You can say, create a 30-day beginner to advanced learning plan for digital marketing. Then follow up with requests like daily tasks, reading lists, or a weekly quiz. For even better results, share your current knowledge level and the time you can commit each day and ask it to adapt based on your progress. Second, use it to analyze and improve content. Paste a blog post, email, or slide script and ask for a clear critique. It can identify weaknesses, spot confusing sections, and suggest improvements. You can have it rewrite for a different audience or tone and optimize for clarity and engagement. Try analyze this article and suggest 10 ways to improve it. Then ask for a revised version in your preferred style, along with a brief rationale for each change so you understand the edits. Third, generate complete business strategies. From marketing plans and growth roadmaps to sales funnels and customer personas, ChatGPT can help you outline the big picture and the day-to-day actions. Start with, create a 90-day growth strategy for an online clothing store and request timelines, channels, messaging angles, and simple KPIs. Provide your niche and target customer for more precise guidance. Fourth, turn one piece of content into many. Repurpose a blog into social posts or transform a video into an article, email sequence, and captions. This saves hours and keeps your message consistent across platforms. Try, turn this YouTube script into 10 LinkedIn posts and 5 Twitter threads, and ask for character counts, hooks, and calls to action suited to each platform. Finally, let it act as your personal consultant. Get practical advice on productivity, marketing, or planning, and simulate experts in different industries. Ask for step-by-step recommendations and concise reports you can share with a team. For instance, act as a startup consultant and review my business idea for strengths and weaknesses. Then request risk assumptions, next steps, and a simple implementation checklist. Throughout, be specific, provide context, and iterate. The clearer your goals and constraints, the better the results.